What's up, guys? I cannot believe the unbelievable success of this eBay. I have not sold so many items since I started eBay a year ago, and it's been pretty fun. I would at some point list 300 items. I would sell like 10 a day for a while. Then it would slow down because I stopped posting. But now that I shut my eBay account, it is incredible. I cannot list fast enough. The things sell so fast, multi quantities, some older stuff they haven't sold in a while, been sitting on account for more than 6 months. So I'm really excited about that. Also, somebody said that I like showed them like a silver coin that I'm asking $125, and they say they could buy 4 of them. The mistake they're making is, yes, if a generic round you probably buy 3 of them because it's $31 per ounce right now. Yes, but that one I paid $100 because of the face value. It has this microtech on it, so it has a face value. It's a little bit different. In case I said in the video that you have to like microtech to really appreciate that silver coin. If you want a regular like ounce without any kind of face value on it, get a generic silver ounce. So once in a while I will respond to some of the comments, but this is what we sold today. I need to list more Pokemon cards because they've been selling out pretty good. Quantity 2, Charmander, and this is a fire Pokemon, so it will go into this bin. So it is a promos. I forgot which promos it came from. So 1 and 2. That's awesome. There's a different promos. I have a lot of them, so if you guys want to go to my account, you can scoop some out. This is playable, that's why. And let's see how much it sold for. It sold for $3.98, so like $8 plus $1 shipping. I mean minus $1 shipping. That's why I love selling Pokemon cards, because the shipping under $20 cards is 69 cents. So if I put 2 of them in an envelope, it is some limited tracking, but I have no problem. eBay been really good about it, and USPS really good about shipping them and tracking them pretty good. So $8, I will profit like $7 on the multi-quantity. I have few more. That's why I love selling Pokemon cards, because USPS don't take $5 to ship this, only at 69 cents. If it's 2 of them, it's only like 96 cents. So multi-quantities, even more money. Then I have right here 3 items sold. This is right here CVV Hid. So this is SKU number 3, CVV Hid. So what I look at, I don't have to open it because I see the name of the knife. So that makes it easy. Next thing, Pokemon card, graded 9, but it has some damage on it. Or maybe that's a different one, never mind. So maybe it doesn't have damage. This is 9, and I'll let you know how much it sold for. And this one, like older card right here too. Graded cards are a little bit more expensive, but there's a $13 and $15 because I got a really good deal on them. Well, on some of them. I'm letting you guys have a good deal as well. This is definitely, I mean, it's a CGC 9 and 9. It's nothing super epic, so that's why I'm willing to let them go. I made a video, made a little profit on a video, trying to get some money back. I think they could sell $20 each, but 10 is where it's at. You always want to have them in 10. That's way better. Cards, obviously they cost a lot more, but there's always a market for 9, even 8, and even 7. Those are easy to sell. So that's one person bought all 3, so we'll save like $10 on shipping, or maybe $8 on shipping right here because multi-quantity. Oh yeah, the CVV sold for $75, so there's over $100 right here just sold. That's awesome. Pokemon cards sell really good. There is another 9.5 graded. This is the answer. Only sold for $15, but it adds up. I would like to list multi-quantities, things like that, but I'm so busy right now trying to sell off all my non-Pokemon stuff first, because it doesn't take up much space and it's like go up in value, go down in value all the time. So I don't mind holding up to this stuff. So I might slow down on Pokemon, might list a little bit, just gotta organize all that. All that is need to be listed, and all that in each bin need to be listed right here. All that needs to be listed for these cards. But I have a lot of gold cards as well. There's a fire gold, there's the bravery charm I just pulled. I have a lot of good cards. Check out my eBay store. And I have a lot of Charizards too. I have those $3 Charizards, so that's fun. This right here, Zipper build on top Ford. It's really niched lighter, so it's sold for $19. Zipper lighters usually sell for a lot cheaper, but because it's a niche, people love Ford. American is the SKU number. I don't see one, but so that's $20 a Zipper. Before I made SKU boxes, I had 3, 4, 5 boxes out here sitting like that, and it took me forever looking for that tiny little lighter. This item does not have a SKU, so now I know it shouldn't be in one of those things unless I forgot to put the SKU number, but I'm pretty sure I did not put SKU number. Still selling off all the cheap stuff. Going to try to stop selling cheaper stuff and try to make lots of the cheap stuff. When I have time, I'll take off all the cheap stuff. And you know, it's funny, I mentioned this in the video last time and it's sold. Gotta make sure which one. Yeah, that's it. And it's sold for $20. I'm gonna only profit like maybe $10 from it. It's so heavy. But where's the Zipper lighter? Sometimes it's okay to skip if you cannot find something, and by the time you pull in some other product, it will pop up. And unfortunately, I misplaced it. It could be in one of these. I have a lot of knives. This is Deserve Warrior. They sold out. I have a few of them. Those are like I bought for profit to flip them. Okay, let's see. I also have a lot cool dice. This is like a hot dog dice, and it has a hot dog on it. Then I have Desert Warrior, like a donut dice. Some Microtech patches. I need to take a lot of those down. So this side here I took it down, dude, perfect. I don't know where I got it from. I don't know why I listed it. There's some those multi like triangular dice. Those are super cool as well. Yeah, this goes off. Unfortunately, I made a mistake. I didn't put it on a SKU, so I really was worried, where is this lighter? But luckily I remember it was recently I listed it, and it says $26 on it. I sold it for $19, so hopefully you guys enjoy the deals. But yeah, also I have another Microtech I see over here. If you guys interested to buy, I think this is gonna be pretty decent deal. I'm not into like trying to get rid of my knives easily. This is Sakoma, so it might be like market value, but it supports my channel. If you want to buy Microtech, boom. Next I got it here, Reich knife. It is a pretty good deal on this one too. $48, and I gotta make sure it is P128SF. So I need to find the date. I just listed it like yesterday. So this is a Reich and let's see. That's why I like selling knives. Don't take up a lot of space, and they are under a pound, 8 ounces. P128SF. That's a model I need. Awesome. And I think that's it. This was the last item. Let me double check. No, one more. Kaiser Walnut Tai-Chin Safe Daily Knife. It does not have the, what do you call it, the SKU number. Repeated buyer, $49. Let's see where it is. It should be in here. I need to declog over here, get rid of all the cheap stuff. There it is. the box got damaged a little bit, but it's just a box. It's a cheap box. So Kaiser walnut, same thing. That's how easily for me to know which one it is, and there's also a SKU number. I'll double check that. But yeah, not this Dude Perfect. I think I found it for a couple dollars at the, or $4 at the Goodwill, and I listed it for like 20. I don't know what I was doing. I was just playing around with the Goodwill. Let me know in comments below if you want to see that in a junk drawer. They're pretty awesome. I got right here a couple more orders, and they say, we love your videos. We've been watching your gadget videos for years, but love the Pokemon videos. We watch your Pokemon channel every night as a family. My 7 and 9-year-old boys adore you. Thanks for keeping up wholesome each time, I guess, videos. And thanks for showing my boys to stay positive even when you don't get any good hits. Good life lesson. If you could sign 2 sleeves for my kids, would frame it and keep them forever. That's awesome. They bought a ton of cards, so I'm gonna sign 2 cards for them because there's a multi-buy. Total order $17 right here, and we have couple gold cards, Twilight Masquerade, Eplin, and the laser right here. So we got 4 cards. Let's pull them real quick. I have a ton of those ace pack cards. Where are they? Right here, and it is Dangerous Laser. I don't like this card holder, dividers as much, because they are, I don't know, kind of like too much in a way. Maybe when I have a lot of cards it'd be better, but there it is. So first one, then I have Eplin, and where would that be? Right here. So it probably would be with the A. There it is, Eplin. $17 total, so they're about like $3 each, $5 each. Then we have a couple of gold cards right here. This is Rigid Helmet and the Fog Crystal. So I'm going into my gold, and A, B, C, D, E, F. So would be on a F. Beautiful cards. I don't know, for some reason people don't care about gold cards as much, even though they're really hard to pull. They're not as expensive as illustration, special illustration area. But then I have right here a couple of graded cards. I love selling those. I got them at the mystery boxes. So I have right here graded 10, and this one's was sent to me for free. $40 total. So like they're like $20 each. So let's see, Rubarum and Shiny. I have another 10 right here. I need a better light here. I'm going to really soon move everything to a different direction, and we'll get much better light here. So let's see what we get right here. Shiny probably in here. There it is. $40 for 2. Not sure which one is more expensive. They're probably about same, but it is a pristine 10. People collect pristine 10s from CGC. And the sales kind of slow today because I have 210 free listing to list this month, and we only have 10 days left. Sales will pick up once I start listing 20-30 listings a day to finish off this month free listings. So I need to get to work and start listing. Stay tuned.